Reddy's Laboratories jumped 9.37%, almost at its 52-week high. Here are the exact numbers from NSE. In 6 minutes, you'll know which stocks moved, why, and next levels. Nifty 50 closed at 24,173 rupees 05, down 0.84% from the previous close of 24,378 rupees 1. The index opened at 24,202 rupees 35, hit a high of 24,310 rupees 2, and a low of 24,134 rupees 8 during the session. On longer-term indicators, the RSI 14 equals 55.4, which is neutral, neither stretched nor deeply oversold. The short-term moving averages show EMA 24,160 rupees sitting above EMA 23,939 rupees, which means a short-term bullish trend is intact even while the index finished lower today. Volume printed at 0, the 20-day average, which the exchange labels as normal activity for this session. Key technical levels to watch are resistance at 24,401 rupees and support at 24,096 rupees. The index remains 8.2% below its 52-week high of 26,373 rupees 2, which was set 52 sessions ago, and the 52-week low is 22,182 rupees 55. In short, the index pulled back modestly, but short-term internals still favor buyers. You want to watch whether Nifty can hold the EMA 9 and the 24,096 rupees support tomorrow. Reddy's Laboratories opened at 1230 rupees 0 and closed at 1331 rupees 0, up 9.37% from a previous close of 1217 rupees 0. Intraday, the stock traded between 1217 rupees 5 and 1357 rupees 0, printing a strong high and a decisive move. Why it moved? Volume was huge, 7.21, the 20-day average, which tells you institutions were clearly active. Add RSI 14 equals 76.5, which is overbought, and the stock just made a 20-day closing high breakout into price discovery territory. It also sits within 1.9% of its 52-week high 1371 rupees 0, so this rally is bumping against a strong historical resistance zone. What to watch tomorrow? Watch whether the EMA 91246 rupees, which just crossed above EMA 201245 rupees in a bullish crossover, holds as intraday support. If prices dip below the support at 1267 rupees, expect profit taking. Sustained trade above today's high could push the stock toward that 52-week high. The key actionable signal is the combination of heavy volume and the EMA 9 holding that confirms institutional follow-through. Smoothly shifting gears, let us look at the other big healthcare mover. Cipla opened at 1234 rupees 1 and closed at 1305 rupees 9, up 5.63% from a previous close of 1236 rupees 3. The intraday range ran from 1227 rupees 6 to 1308 rupees 4, with the stock hitting a 20-day closing high. Why it moved? Volume printed at 2.89, the 20-day average, signaling unusual institutional conviction behind the move. RSI 14 equals 78. 7 shows the stock is in overbought territory, and like Reddy's Laboratories, it just cleared a 20-day closing high. This is price discovery for traders chasing momentum. It is also 5.8% below its 52-week high of 1673 rupees 0, so there's still room on the chart, but resistance is not far. What to watch tomorrow? Focus on the EMA 91245 rupees, which just crossed above EMA 2012-44 rupees. That bullish crossover gives you a specific level to watch for intraday support. If Cipla holds above the support at 1235 rupees and volume remains elevated, continuation is likely. A drop back below 1235 rupees would signal a pullback and possible profit booking. Next, the financial sector as quick mover shows similar signs. JIOFIN Financial Services opened at 240 rupees 0 and closed at 248 rupees 66, up 4.26% from a previous close of 238 rupees 51. The intraday low was 238 rupees 54, and the high reached 251 rupees 7 as buyers stepped in. Why it moved? The stock printed a 20-day closing high breakout with volume at 3.13, the 20-day average, another sign institutions are buying. RSI? 14 equals 62. 7 sits in neutral territory, so it's not yet overheated. And the EMA 9,241 rupees just crossed above EMA 2,240 rupees, giving a fresh bullish bias. The stock trades 9.4% below its 52-week high of 338 rupees 07. So there's room structurally, but resistance sits near 252 rupees. What to watch tomorrow? The immediate support level to watch is 238 rupees. If price holds above that, and the EMA 9 remains above EMA 20, continuation toward the 252 rupees resistance is likely. If volume cools or price falls below 238 rupees, expect a short consolidation. That wraps the movers. One final summary and steps to take. Today's theme was concentrated strength in selective names, while the broader index slipped. Big volume and bullish EMA crossovers dominated the winners. Institutional volumes and 20-day closing high breakouts marked price discovery in DRREDDY's Laboratories, Cipla, and JIOFIN services. Top 2 things to watch tomorrow. 1. Whether these 3 names can hold their EMA 9 support levels and maintain above their supports that confirms follow-through. 2. Whether NIFTY can defend 24,096 rupees support and keep EMA 9 above EMA 20 to avoid a broader pullback. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which stock is on your watch list, and subscribe for daily trade-focused recaps. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.